All right, y'all, here we go. We're cooking 2 big jambalayas today. I got a 30-gallon here in Loretta, 15-gallon right there, fixing to drop the sausage in. That's here 30 pounds of Cajun smoked sausage going in.
That's a lot of sausage.
That's a lot of sausage right there. All right, we got 10 pounds of sausage right here going in. And this one here. All right, y'all, get that sausage cooked up. All right, B, time to get that sausage up out of there. Ooh, look at that. Oh, don't that look so pretty right there? Get it in that tray. Going in there with that boneless, skinless chicken thighs, 20 pounds. Woo! Gonna hit that chicken with a little bit of Dale's. Gotta watch that Dale's. Little Worcestershire sauce in there. Woo! And then, you know, we gotta hit it with that Southern Boys love right there, all purpose. Oh, yeah. Look at that color going on, boy. Look at that color going on. That's what I'm... All right, B, here we go. We're gonna get that sausage up out of here. Oh, man. Y'all, that's 30 pounds of Cajun smoked sausage right there. All right, y'all, we got 30 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken thighs going in. A little Worcestershire. Drop it in there like that. And you got to hit it with that Dale's. You got to watch that Dale's now. You got to watch that Dale's. And then, you know, we're going with that Southern Boys love right there. Watch that color going on. Feeding the senior citizens today. You got to keep it kind of... All right, that chicken's all done up in the 15-gallon pot. We're going to get it out there. Look how pretty that looks right there, y'all. Ooh, sweet boy. I'll be going in there with 10 pounds of that temple meat. Ooh, man. All right, B, I'm getting that temple meat up out of there now. Check that out right there. We're going to set it right here on that sausage because they go in there together. Ooh. All right, B, in the 15-gallon pot, we're going in there with 15 pounds of that Holy Trinity. Get that Holy Trinity in there. What do you see? All that stuff on that bottom? All that right there, all that flavor. All that's coming loose right there with that Holy Trinity. Now time to get that chicken up out there. Look at that. Ooh, man. Huh? Does that look good or what, huh? He's over here like this. All right, y'all, here we go with the temple meat now, y'all. That's 30 pounds of temple meat going in. We're going to hit that temple meat with a little Worcestershire sauce like that. Then we'll hit it with that Dale's. Got to watch that Dale's now. Got to watch that Dale's. With that Dale's. Then we're going to hit it with that Southern Boys love right there. Ooh, look at that color going on. All right, we're feeding seniors today. Can you slow down a little bit? All right, B, time to get that temple meat up out of there. Look at that. Ooh, man, look how pretty that is right there, y'all. So here we go. We're going with 30 pounds of the Holy Trinity. Going in there now. Dump that. We got some more right here. Couldn't fit it all in one bowl. All right, B, look down in here. Show down here. All that Holy Trinity's all cooked down now. Now we're going to go back in there with that sausage and that temple meat. Boom, like that. Now we're going in there with 5 gallons of water. See, now what we're going to do, we're going to bring that to a boil. Look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that. We're going in there with 1 bottle of that brown sugar water. Roll ball. Now we're going to add 25 pounds of rice to it. I know. There we go. All right, now all we want to do there, y'all, now we just want to push it. We don't want to stir it, y'all. It's just a push. Well, there we go. We just added all the salt and everything to it. Got it tasting absolutely perfect. Now what we got the rice in there. We're just going to lid it up right there and let it do its thing, y'all. Don't get no better than that right there. 15-gallon jambalaya. Sausage in that temple meat. Bit in the bread at the paddle and give it a quick stir. Come back and give it another look. See all that onion, see all that temple meat in there? Look at that. Oh, man, that's some good stuff right there, y'all. We don't get no better than that right there. We go with the water. We got 10 gallons of water going in right here. Here we go with 2 bottles of that brown sugar water. Brown sugar water. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Ooh, that's going to add a little sweetness and a little color to it right there. I just put a whole jar of Southern Boy seasoning in there. Hope them seniors can handle the heat. Go over here with that SPO sea salt right here. Hit with that sea salt like that. Now this is for the seniors. You don't want to overdo the salt in it, okay? But we're not going to overdo the salt in it. Just hit it with a little bit of salt like that. Then we'll come back and we'll hit it with some of that pepper right there. There we go. Don't want to get it too hot for them. Jump over here, grab one of these paddles. Push it like that. We ain't put the rice in it yet, y'all. Got Mike going in there with 45 pounds of rice, y'all. Check that out right there. Cousin Mark just gonna push it. Check it out, y'all. We don't get no better than that right here, y'all. Jambalaya, crawfish pie, filet gumbo. Woo! What about Cuz?
Oh, it's gonna be that.
All right, we just shut that fire off. Now we're gonna lid it up. All ready to go. All right, check this 15-gallon one out, y'all. Cuz pulling that lid off. Look at that. Woo-wee. All right, y'all. We're gonna add that chicken back to it. Uh-oh, hold up here. I'm doing it with one hand here. Here we go. We're gonna add this chicken back in there, like that. Ooh, look at that. Mark gonna do the first flip right here. Mike gonna do the first flipping. Yeah, y'all mixed up. Look at that, y'all. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Go, check it out. Time for that first flip. You got the skinny shed itself. Well, Paul LeBlanc doing the honors. Brother Dallas, go ahead and hit it with that chicken, huh? Look at that. 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 Dump that chicken in there. Ooh, man. Purdy. What are you waiting on, Dallas?
Oh, I'm getting it all around.
You're getting there. You go. Dallas looking for airtime, huh? Look at that, y'all. Oh my goodness, y'all. Here's a 15-gallon pot of jambalaya. What we're doing, Mike's putting it in the trays right there. Check that out like that. Ooh, look how pretty that is right there. That old 945 right there.
Oh, yeah.
Dropping it in.
Coming with them.
Goes the Mark on the end, handing out the plate. Well, then we got Brandon here with canes. And Bradley with canes. They getting the rolls and the wax paper set in. Y'all know Brother Gene Hoyt sliding on down. Brother Les, Brother Benton, George Bates done fell in working a little bit. Paul, JoJo, Otto, and Brother Dallas getting them all bagged up, getting them all ready to go out, y'all. Awesome stuff right here, y'all. Don't get no better than this right here, y'all. Louisiana jambalaya for our shut-in seniors, y'all. We don't get no better than that.